Alright, just got up to this carrier furnace and got the thermostat calling for heat. Error code down here. 4. And then 1. Let's see, that would be 14, right? Ignition lockout. Alright. Let's open this up and see what's going on inside. Alright, let's see what this thing does. Juicer's on. Let's see if we ignite. Oh, I already see it. Look, gas valve is set to off. Right there, it's on off. But it's not going to ignite. No gas came out. I don't know why that's on off, but you can see some idiot put the gas valve to off. So let's turn it on, and now it should work. I think somebody either put in the limit back there and maybe hit the switch when they were putting the limit in. It's the only thing I can think of. I know some guy was here recently, a few months ago, but that's most likely what it was. It's an easy call. Got a lot of calls today. It's really busy. It's starting to get cold here in the Bay Area, so I'm going up to like 9 calls a day. So, you know, an easy call like this is definitely appreciated. Lower. Alright, yeah, looks like the switch was just off. Now we got it on. Heating. We'll test for carbon monoxide and gas. We'll be on to the next one. This is a quick little easy call.